Get out your art supplies. We're going to be drawing a turkey using the number 9. And here's what it'll look like when it's done. Welcome to Art Expedition. We're glad you're here. Are you ready? Pencils, pens, markers, or crayons up? Let's begin. The first thing we need to do is put in our number 9. So we're going to put it in the middle of the page, big but not so big that it falls off the page. And then we're going to turn it around, upside down, like that. To make the top of the turkey's head, we're going to use a question mark shaped line. The bottom of the question mark will keep going until it touches the 9. And we're going to go out, around, and down. Next, we're going to add the turkey's snood, which sits on top of its beak. We'll draw a little teardrop shape for that. Then we'll use a V shape to make the top of its beak. And we'll draw a diagonal line to complete the beak. We're going to put a circle here for its eye, and we're going to fill it in except for the upper left-hand corner to make it glisten. Next, we're going to add the turkey's tail feathers. We'll start by drawing a diagonal line that begins almost at the edge of the page. We'll add another line coming down from just behind its head. We'll go like this. Next, we're going to make 5 curved lines going from one side to the other all the way across. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Like that. Then we'll draw 4 thin lines from the point where the curved lines meet, coming down to the turkey's body to show that these are individual feathers. Line like that, line like that, line like that, and a line like that. We're going to add a wing, and it's just going to be very simple. We're going to have a line coming out like this, and then we're going to have it curve in like that. For its legs, we'll use 2 diagonal lines coming out from the bottom of the turkey's body. And we're going to put 3 straight lines coming out for its feet. There's our turkey, but where's he at? Let's draw him a fun place to be. Let's start by drawing 2 slightly wavy lines on both sides of his lower body. Like that. We're going to add a straight line going this way and following about the same length all the way across. We're going to add a curved line coming up here and a matching curved line on the opposite side. On the left of our page, we'll draw 2 small parallel lines right next to each other. And the house part is going to be a line, up and back, and then just a little thin rectangle come out from that, and a triangle on the top. Let's add some clouds to our picture. We'll make them by combining curved lines. A line right here, a line right there, curve, over, back. Another one over here, curve, over. Where is this turkey at? Put some dots. And we'll give it a friend real quick. So the way I'm going to do that is by putting a line, a circle at the end, a line and a circle at the end, and then a curved line coming around like this, a little curved line coming up, line coming out, a rounded curve, and a V in between. And then we'll do a round V, curve, back and forth, a wavy line right here, and then I'm going to make some legs for this. You can also color your turkey if you like. Here's my version. Thanks for joining us. We hope you've had fun. For Art Expedition, I'm Kevin Van Norman. What will you create?